बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पैसेज नंबर 67। Islamabad Pakistan on Monday called on the world to urgently attend to the worsening plight of Kashmiris in India held territory and drew parallels between the Kashmir and Palestine disputes. Full stop. Speaking at the emergency virtual meeting of the OIC contact group on Jammu and Kashmir, Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi said, the occupying powers in both Kashmir and Palestine are pursuing similar tactics to disenfranchise and dispossess these peoples. Full stop. Both these situations are worsening and call for urgent attention of the international community. Full stop. New para. The meeting was held to review the latest developments on Kashmir and discuss actions that can be taken in future by the OIC members to address the issue. Full stop. The contact group last met on September 25 on the sidelines of the UN General Assembly. Full stop. Apprising members of the contact group about the worsening situation in occupied Kashmir, Mr. Qureshi said India enacted Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Order 2020 and the Jammu and Kashmir Grant of Domicile Certificate Procedure Rules 2020. Full stop. He said these measures aimed at altering IOJ and K's demographic structure were illegal and in violation of the UNSC resolutions and international law, in particular the Fourth Geneva Convention and UNSC Resolution 122. Full stop. New paragraph. Drawing the attention of the group to extrajudicial killings in fake encounters, cordon and search operations, and indiscriminate use of pellet guns and live ammunition against unarmed peaceful protesters, the foreign minister said Indian forces are operating with complete impunity under the cover of draconian laws such as PSA, AFSPA and UAPA. Full stop. In the last 20 days, 30 young Kashmiris have been murdered, he said, adding that Indian troops had now refused to hand over bodies of Kashmiri fighters to their heirs for burial, and they are torching houses of Kashmiris as a collective punishment. Full stop. New para. India's actions represent state terrorism at its worst, Mr. Qureshi said. Full stop. He also mentioned ceasefire violations along the line of control and the working boundary by Indian troops. Full stop. Since January 1, 2020, India has committed 1440 ceasefire violations. India has deliberately targeted innocent civilians on the Pakistani side of the LOC, killing 13, and injuring 104, including women and children. Full stop. He said that Kashmiris were now counting on the OIC and Muslim countries more than ever for facilitating a lasting solution to the dispute. Full stop. New paragraph. He asked OIC to urge India to rescind annexation of occupied Jammu and Kashmir, hold UN supervised plebiscite in IOJ and K, end human rights abuses and provide unhindered access to OIC, IPHRC, UN, human rights organizations and international media to investigate and report on the situation in the occupied territory, full stop. Speaking to media after the virtual meeting, Mr. Qureshi said a joint communique had been issued by the members of the contact group reaffirming their support for Kashmir and promising to raise the issue in their bilateral engagements with India, full stop. New para. Mr. Qureshi also had a separate telephone conversation with his Saudi counterpart Prince Faisal bin Farhan, full stop. He conveyed Pakistan's concerns about the situation in Kashmir, including the continuing lockdown, the intensification of military crackdown by Indian forces, and moves to alter the demographic structure of the occupied territory, full stop. He called for urgent steps to address the situation in IOJ and K, full stop. The Saudi foreign minister reaffirmed Saudi Arabia's traditional support for the Kashmir cause, the FO said, full stop.